and on your side. You're watching WBRC Fox 6 News at noon.
Crispy, sticky, and sweet. Coming up next, we're giving you some recipe ideas to spice up your holiday parties and even recipes that travel well. Well, if you're tired of taking the same things to potluck parties and holiday dinners, I know I am. We're here to spice things up for you. For that, we have Danielle Caminiti. She's joining us live now. Danielle, tell us what we can talk about. I know my go-to dish is a rotel dip. That's probably one of the only things I can make successfully. So tell us what you've got to teach us.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. So I know if holiday gatherings are anything like they are in my home, it's everybody congregates in the kitchen. No matter how elaborate of a plan you have for a sit-down dinner, everybody's always in the kitchen, and the whole idea is mingling, and finger foods are the go-to. So
yes.
I always prepare a cherry cola chicken wing recipe and a stuffed mushroom recipe, which everybody raves about, and they're so easy to prepare, especially if you have guests coming over. You can prep them ahead of time, and they're so delicious.
All right, how do you make them?
So the wings take less than an hour, and they're made with literally cherry cola. It doesn't matter the brand, Coke, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Dr. Brown's. I make the sauce stovetop, and then the wings go on a baking sheet in the oven. And then after that, they get broiled and ready to serve.
Oh my goodness.
They have enough kick for the kids to enjoy too, but I tend to like them on the spicier side.
Yeah,
but they're really easy and really phenomenal for the grill too in the summertime, and also for Super Bowl parties. That's their big hit.
Yes, that's interesting.
Yeah.
It does sound like it would taste really good on the grill. It tastes good. Some smoked wings with that flavor. All right, so tell us a couple of ways that people can improve their cooking going into 2022. Some people may have that as a resolution to improve their cooking. That is certainly one of mine. Tell us how we can improve our cooking.
Well, the first thing is just to not put so much stress on yourself for perfection. That's what I found. And you want to kind of put your own fingerprint on your recipe. It doesn't have to be exactly like somebody else's, but you can kind of get ideas, go through cookbooks, peruse social media a little bit, and then just see what works for you. I find improvising a lot better. You don't have to have that exact tool sometimes. You can improvise with a certain type of kitchen tool or a certain type of appliance. So I would say just lower the bar, lower the expectations, and just have fun with it. And don't get caught up in, perfection. Just go for how it tastes. If it tastes good, and you had fun doing it, then you did a good job, right?
Yeah. I know you got one or two other recipes for us. I definitely want to hear about these, Danielle. And one is the smash. Tell us about that.
Well, the smash is actually, by definition, a smash cocktail is one that is spirit-based. Mm-hmm. It has ice, it has seasonal fruits, and it has herbs. So I've made a raspberry persimmon smash, and it has rye. It's made with rye. You can easily make it with bourbon, too, two of my favorites. It has persimmons, which are a really delicious, in my opinion, underrated fruit.
Yeah.
Raspberries, mint, and it's garnished with rosemary. So it's really delicious. Also, if you want for a New Year's party, you can easily put some Prosecco or champagne in it and have like 1 part rye and 2 parts Prosecco to add a couple of bubbles to it. So that's really my go-to signature holiday cocktail.
So we got the wings, we got the stuffed mushrooms, and we got the smash. Thank you so much for joining us, Danielle. And is there anywhere where people can find more information on this?
Yes, well, these 3 recipes happen to be in a cookbook that I just self-published. It's available on Amazon. It's also available on my website, which is Have You Covered in the Kitchen. You like the letter U. And I've pivoted from the Courtroom to the Cucina, which is the name of my cookbook. I'm a lawyer that made the most of the pandemic, so I don't know if I'm more of a lawyer who cooks or I'm a cook who lawyers, but either way, I'm having fun with it, and I thank you for having me today.
Thank you so much, Danielle. We appreciate you. We'll be looking out for that book. All right, well, coming up, robots.
Happy holidays.
Thank you.